Welcome to Immigration Visa News Channel. This is a news channel, Immigration, and news taken from official websites of Immigration Department and spokesmen of Immigration Department and the spokesmen of government officials. In this clip, I will mention what are the problems in Portugal currently people are facing in residence, in jobs, and why Portugal is becoming difficult day by day, and what is the solution of the problems if the people are in trouble and they are not getting jobs and they are in troubles and they are not getting residence, even they are feeling difficulty in getting TRC card. What is the main reason and how these problems can be solved? So I will discuss this thing in this clip. Before diving in detail into the topic, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and also push the bell for further notification for updated news of immigration all over the world. In Portugal, what is happening currently? Almost half Dubai people, many people from Dubai is moving to Portugal because YouTube channels and social media are telling this is the only country of Portugal which is giving a little a bit earlier TRC card and giving almost all persons to TRC card who are getting jobs there. Similarly, people from other part of the countries are moving to Portugal, and that made competition in Portugal too much high. And due to which real estate persons became very alert and they are giving renovated rooms on rent in a quite high price. And now, what is the problem in the jobs now? I don't think so. There are less jobs in Portugal. It is a city of tourists and many tourists coming in bazaars. And if you are dropping CVs in different restaurants, if you are trying hard, if the person has capable, if person has skill, so he will not be jobless. So what is the problem? The people are not getting job. The reason is that because when they are planning to go to Portugal, they did not prepare well. And what is the main reason they did not prepare well? For example, if you are going to Portugal, if you are businessman, no problem, you will be very successful. Even you will appoint other persons and you will be the successful person in Portugal, and there is no problem of business. If you have money and you are bound to open your business, Portugal will always welcome you and you will get TRC card quite easily and your life will be very easy because you are doing your own business. You are not depending upon others. If you have some money, if you have some skills. Second one, you are not learning some specific skills which are required in Portugal. Technically, when you was moving to Portugal, before departure to Portugal, you need to get those skills which were highly required and recommended in Portugal. All people who are in Portugal, they are telling you that beauty salons, beauty parlors for women and for cutting for men's, these people are not jobless, but normally we are very respected person and we don't want to do these works, but technically these people really are getting very good money and they are making money by their opening their own saloon and they are not free and they are getting almost all facilities in Portugal. There is no problem in their life and they are just living a European style. Similarly, if you are engineers, if you are doctors, if you are nurses, you will not be free in Portugal. You must have good CV, you must have good skill, and you will deposit. One thing is problem is there. You are not going to deposit your CVs in different departments. For example, if even you are less qualified and you want to work in restaurant, how many restaurants will be there in Lipson and other parts of Portugal, in all over the world? You just go to the restaurant, just deposit your CV, and at least one restaurant will call you for interview. And this is the problem going on. We are not working hard technically. The people who are in Portugal, who move from other countries, they don't work hard. They will work hard, they will get the job. And the people who are successful are truly examples. The many people who are there, they are very successful. So technically, when you are moving to Portugal, the first step is that you have to search out which type of the skills which you must have to be successful there. Similarly, you can learn electrician work if you are less qualified. You can learn plumbing work. You can work entrepreneur. This is the field which the people don't know. I am telling you one point. If you are even YouTuber and you are getting 1700 euro per month, you are in any part of the world. You can go to Portugal and Portugal will give you TRC card in 3 months. And also Canadian Minister of Immigration was talking that we are making plan for freelancer, and he was telling that freelancers are very good source of income for us because they will not depend upon us. So technically you must do your work yourself. If you are depending upon yourself, for example, you are online worker, you are working in Fever, you are working in any type of international American companies online, and you are getting the pay in dollar. The Portugal, what is the Portugal? All European countries will come to your home and they will invite you come to our country because you are basically dollars. Your name is dollars because you are bringing dollars from America. So when you will go to their countries, you will invite dollars into their bank accounts. They will become rich. So Canadian Minister of Immigration was telling, we are going to open a plan by which freelancers without interview, without much requirements, will be given PR so that they come here and they give us taxes and they are self-dependable person and they will give us money because the dollars will come to that country will become rich. So therefore freelancers, entrepreneur, if you are doing your own work and you are getting enough dollars which are required, that's also very good chance for Portugal. But I think the competition is very tight, no doubt about this. The currently the interview of biometric is also little tight because they are asking which type of the job you are doing, which type of the work you are doing. So if you are fair, if you are legal, if you are depositing taxes regularly, there is no problem. But the people who are depositing fake contract and they are not depositing tax in the real way and they are giving money to any company, so definitely they are in trouble. Then I request you, they must hire a lawyer before their biometric, because once your case will be pending, you will be little of it in anxiety because the case pending may open once again after 3 to 4 months. And therefore it's no doubt that if the people are talking about Portugal is difficult country, yes, it's difficult country, but those people who don't want to work hard, the people who want to work hard, in my opinion, and they will be very successful. If I got was reading at one place, the many people, almost many people from Dubai moved to Portugal and they settled there and they got TRC card and they want to get the passport of Portugal because Dubai don't give nationality. So why the people are moving from Dubai? There is some reason. So therefore, one a couple I know, they moved from Dubai and they opened their salon and they were very successful. They have one daughter. They were telling, this is a one place for us. So there is good place for those people who can work hard, not good place for those people who do not who did not have prepared, did not make plan before moving to Portugal. Without skills they went. Thank you very much. Irfan Ashraf, Immigration Visa News.